Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at the Mplify Global NaaS event in Dallas. And today I'm joined by Sunil Khandekar. He's Chief Enterprise Development Officer at Mplify. Sunil, welcome to my hot seat.
Thank you.
So Sunil, you're leading the enterprise program. What is it all about?
So the enterprise program is about bringing the enterprise voice to the leadership table for the first time in the history of MEF and now Mplify. Because traditionally what has happened is the service providers and the technology vendors have created standardized frameworks only for enterprises to adopt them after the fact. We are trying to change that dynamic. And it's already evident in the way that the Enterprise Leadership Council is driving some of the key initiatives in terms of standardization, automation, and also AI.
Okay. And what are the key initiatives that you are leading at the moment with this group?
So the Enterprise Leadership Council consists of 15 top leaders from global multinationals. This is not a passive advisory board. It's active in the sense that these gentlemen really care and understand that through collaboration with the key stakeholders of service providers and technology vendors, they can drive innovation in a way that it's in step with their critical business needs. And the two initiatives that they have driven already are circuit impairment and maintenance, as well as cybersecurity alert. These replace manual coordination and closes the automation gap through real-time communication between the service providers and the enterprises.
And how do you think this enterprise program will push NaaS forward?
Absolutely. Look, NaaS is all about delivering the flexibility and automation of cloud services, like cloud services. And through the way the Enterprise Leadership Council is driving automation, trusted certification, and imploring on the service providers and technology vendors to adopt these standards, it absolutely will drive towards making NaaS deliver on its promise of flexibility and automation, just like the cloud service.
Exciting times ahead for the enterprise program. I can't wait to see what's in the future. Thank you for a great interview, Sunil.
Thank you so much, Isabel. It's been my pleasure.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.